It's a great feeling to talk about the UNS India on the occasion of 10th anniversary. I've been with UNS India since inception. It's a great feeling. I've seen ups and downs of the UNS India and trials and tribulations in the last 10 years. We have achieved a lot till now. We carried several campaigns and all said and done, UNS India has established a great foundation now. We need to build on that and take it to next level. I am confident that both UNS India and BizBuzz will grow in coming years and they will make a mark in the media and society and on the all fronts. Thank you.
I've been working with UNS India since its beginning. We have launched our paper when there was a rise of titans like Times of India and the Chronicle, but we could make a mark on the readership and we have grown up till now. That's exactly 10 years. Definitely this 10 years young boy will shine like a star in the future years, and there won't be any we have to feed it rightly. Definitely will grow. I wish you all the best, and also I thank one and all. Thank you very much.
Wish you all happy 10th anniversary. We have done a lot of good job in the field of journalism. This is the good platform to everyone in Telugu states. UNS is a very good media organization and it maintains ethics and morals in the coverage of news and views also. I wish the UNS India will move forward in the coming days. Thank you very much.
For the success to UNS India of its 10 years journey.
ఒక ఇంగ్లీష్ పత్రికని డైలీ ప్రింట్ చేస్తూ అన్బయాస్డ్గా మెయింటైన్ చేస్తూ 10 సంవత్సరాలు నడపడం అనేది సామాన్యమైనటువంటి విషయం కాదు ఈ రోజుల్లో. 2 తెలుగు రాష్ట్రాల్లోనే కాకుండా ఆల్ మెట్రోస్లో కూడా ఈరోజు మనం వెళ్ళాం, అక్కడ కూడా ప్రింట్ చేస్తున్నాం. ఇలాంటి సందర్భంలో ఎన్నో కష్ట నష్టాలకి మేము ఎదుర్కొంటూ ఈ రోజుల్లో 10 years కంప్లీట్ చేసుకున్నాం. వెనక్కి తిరిగి చూస్తే అప్పుడే 10 years అయిపోయిందా అనే విధంగా ఆశ్చర్యంగా కూడా అనిపిస్తుంది. ఈ 10 సంవత్సరాల జర్నీలో ఎక్కడ ఏ ఒడిదుడుకులు లేకుండా ముందుకు తీసుకెళ్తున్న మన మేనేజ్మెంట్కి మరియు సిబ్బందికి అందరికీ కూడా ఈ సందర్భంగా శుభాకాంక్షలు తెలియజేస్తూ ఇలానే ముందు ఎన్నో యానివర్సరీలు చేసుకోవాలని చెప్పేసి అందులో మనందరం ఉండాలని చెప్పేసి ఆశిస్తూ సెలవు. థ్యాంక్ యూ అనండి.
We all here to celebrate the 10 years completion. So we have done a long journey and we wish everybody a future also, a success comes to us every day in every aspect. So I wish all of us a very, very happy 10th anniversary.
దాదాపుగా 10 సంవత్సరాల నుంచి నేను వర్క్ చేస్తున్నాను ఇక్కడ. ఎలాంటి సిచ్యుయేషన్లో ఆన్లైన్ పైన ముఖ్యంగా గత 2 సంవత్సరాలుగా ఈ పాండమిక్ టైంలో కూడా మనం UNS ఇండియా నిలబడి ఇంకా రోజుకి ముందుకెళ్తున్నాము. నాకు ఒకటే ఒక కోరిక ఉంది, మనం ఇంత వరస్ట్ సిచ్యుయేషన్లో కూడా బెంగళూరులో ఈ పేపర్ని మనం లాంచ్ చేశాము. అట్లాగే బాంబే అట్లాగే చెన్నై నుంచి కూడా UNS ఇండియా పేపర్ విత్ ప్రింటింగ్తో సహా
ఈ UNS ఇండియా అనే మొక్క ఇప్పటికి వేసి 10 years అయింది. అది పువ్వులు వచ్చింది, కాయలు కూడా వచ్చింది, ఇంకా ఫలాలే రావాలి. రావడానికి అతి తక్కువ టైంలో మనం దగ్గరలో ఉన్నాం. మీ అందరి కోఆపరేషన్తో థ్యాంక్ యూ.
ఇలాగే ఇంకా ముందుకెళ్ళాలని, మన పేపర్ ఇంకా మంచి డెవలప్మెంట్ కావాలని, అట్లా జనాలకు కూడా బాగా రీచ్ అయ్యి మనకు మంచి పేరు తెచ్చుకోవాలని కోరుకుంటూ మా UNS ఇండియా ఎంప్లాయీస్ వాస్కొచ్చే శుభాకాంక్షలు.
We are organizing
our 10th anniversary in almost 25 locations in 2 Telugu states, each and every district. We are conducting in 5 locations of Hyderabad our anniversary celebrations, and we have released a good profile, tennis profile video. Hope you have all seen that, and lot of people enjoyed it. And today, what are the occasion, what are the celebrations we are doing? We are covering, we are giving live updates in our website with the help of our editorial colleagues and website colleagues. So these all exercises all we are doing is a part of brand building. Whatever it may be, whatever old it may be the brand. Brand building and branding is a continuous activity. It is a TOM activity, top of the mind activity. People should not forget. Even CM will do his TOM activity, PM will do his TOM activity. We also should do the TOM activity. That is not only the duty of the organization, it is the duty of each and every colleague. That's what I feel. That is why I request everybody who are assembled here or who are not there, please, everybody nowadays is having your social media pages. So do share at least your own contribution, your own write-ups in your social media and tag it to Hans. So hence, how to improve our skills, writing skills, which actually meets the young generation requirement. So crisp, sharp and to the point. And that too, it needs to be shared in the digital media and social media. Otherwise you don't reach. Nowadays people are consuming news if it comes to them. Earlier people used to consume news by going to the particular publication or particular TV like that. Even TV viewership is coming down day by day because of social media. So now we need to establish that in the social media the credibility of Hans. And there is a saying in Vedavamana, పురుషులందు పుణ్య పురుషులు వేరే అని, అలాగే మీడియాలోకి హన్స్ మీడియా వేరు. It is a credible one, whether it is in social media or whether it is in digital media or it is in print. It doesn't matter. Wherever you are, it doesn't matter. What you are, it matters. What we are, people are saying now, and we need to keep it up. We need to improve it a lot. And I wish you all success. And once again, happy 10th anniversary. Thank you very much.
Congratulations to all of you. We have achieved a great milestone, and this milestone achievement makes me nostalgic, because when I have the privilege of being one of the founder team members of Hans India when the newspaper was launched in 2011. And Hans India started with a small bureau where today the IT people sit. That small space was given to the Hans India, and we had just 4 or 5 reporters at that time. That was the time when Telangana agitation was at its peak, and we had Million March, we had all kinds of agitations in Usmania University, a lot of firing going on, and we had just 4 reporters to cover and compete with. And I should thank all the reporters who were there with me at that time also. Some of them are still here in the bureau, like Afzal is there, Chandrasekhar is there, all these people are there. But at that time these people were there throughout the night. They were there on the roads when the Millennium March took place. Even when all the reporters were there on the field, they were facing the bullets, they were facing the stones, they were facing the lathis of the police, and still they were from there, they were giving live updates. And sitting here in the office, I used to take down the notes and file the reports. And even after the edition had gone to print, these people did not leave the spot. They were there throughout the night in shifts, and they were giving coverages. That is the kind of dedication the initial team had shown. And I want that the newcomers who have joined us in the later years, they should also own the newspaper and show that kind of spirit in reporting.
చేస్తాను, నువ్వు ఏం చేస్తావు?